and welcome. Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome, everybody.
Hello and welcome. As you can probably tell from the title of this video, this will be our last video. At least for now. We made this YouTube channel roughly 3 months ago now for our community project. We made this YouTube channel because we found that most people, including ourselves, experience difficulties understanding the assignments you need to make at the ISG.
Although teachers would spend lesson time explaining the assignment, if you had last-minute questions, sending an email would be too late.
However, 3 months later, our community project sadly comes to an end. We really appreciate all the support you guys have given us by filling in the form on our website that helped us improve on our tutorials and our community project.
But this is not the end for the YouTube channel. Although we may add more videos in the future, this will not be soon. Therefore, we are asking you to contribute.
Are you in MP3 or higher, and you want to contribute yourself by making videos on specific topics that you're good at? Please send us your subject by email. This can be done by filling in our contact form on the website. If we think your topic fits the goal of the community project, we will discuss it further.
However, please make note that although we do check our emails regularly, it will take us time to respond back. And make sure when you are emailing us to use your school email, your name, and your class.
For one last time, if you enjoyed and appreciated our videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, fill in our form on the website, and give us some feedback on our videos.
Leaving a comment in the comment section down below would also greatly help us.
And on behalf of the ISG Tutorials, we wish you all good luck on your future assignments. Goodbye.